AssuranceLab is your modern tech-enabled audit partner. We support hundreds of ambitious technology companies in 13 countries who are looking to earn and keep trust with their dream customers. So that's through using our in-house developed audit software and modern audit services that cover global compliance standards such as SOC 2, ISO 27001, or those in Australia might know more about open banking, specifically in CDR.
And tell us about your partnership with Drata. What is the innovation in the world that your collaboration is providing?
Compliance can be really complex and very hard to navigate. And there's two really important sides. So there is the company that needs to comply, and that can often be very arduous and manual. And that's where Drata comes in. Their world-leading product automates a lot of that compliance for the customer. And then where AssuranceLab comes in is the verification as an audit firm. So bringing those two parties together means that there's a really great innovative model to optimize the speed at which customers can achieve their compliance. So bringing Drata's modern compliance technology with our modern audit services and proprietary technology, we're able to achieve really great outcomes for our customers in the most efficient and modern way possible.
Hi, I'm Malcolm Robertson, co-founder of CSENS.
And I'm Oliver Robertson, co-founder of CSENS.
The science is in.
Climate change is here.
To make a difference, Novatti has partnered with us to present CSENS Pay,
the world's first green payment gateway and green Visa debit card, where every transaction supports environmental action.
Novatti has provided us with a payment gateway and Visa debit card. This supports our vision to connect ESG outcomes to businesses and consumers,
helping every CSENS Pay transaction to make a difference.
We're one of the co-founders of Driva. We set out to solve the personal finance problem in Australia, which the way we saw it from the outside in is a problem that makes it very difficult for customers to find and apply for their best lending option from the many, many different lenders that have products out there in the Australian market. And so we built a platform that has 50 different lending products built into it. And we've codified all the lending criteria and pricing policies of the lenders that offer those products. And by doing so, we've created a really easy way for customers to compare personalized loan options that basically allows them to find the cheapest and most suitable for them offer in market really quickly by just providing some personal details into our platform. We run those details and their bank statement data and credit file data for our underwriting model and present back their top loan offers to choose from and apply for. So that same sort of pricing engine and underwriting model that we've built, we've also been able to offer by API to some of our partners. One of our biggest and most important partners is the car sales partnership. And just like us, they wanted a way for their customers to really quickly and easily find their best rate for finance. And so they've integrated our personalized pricing API into their own ecosystem. So now customers who are browsing for cars on the car sales site can also browse for finance offers tailored fully to them and their personal circumstances without having to leave the car sales ecosystem.
I'm Ish Coe, the Managing Director of KIT. We're an earning and learning money app for kids. So with KIT, kids can earn money by completing chores. They can create savings goals and spend money all with parental controls. But most importantly, kids can learn about money. So KIT, our in-app character, provides bite-sized, just-in-time financial education, as well as little nudges to help kids towards positive financial behavior. Our partnership with Shaype has really been critical to this. So they've, with their set of APIs, allowed us us to deliver a product in record time. We integrated with them in about 5 months to launch our beta product. Their technology capability has also allowed us to bring to market some really leading capabilities, such as Pay2, which allows parents to pay their pocket money in real time to their kids, pulling money from their own bank accounts. We've also got the ability to block individual merchants. So if a kid has spent at McDonald's and the parent doesn't like that, they can go in and say, no more McDonald's for you, unfortunately. So all of this would not have been possible without Shaype taking care of all the heavy lifting when it comes to the bank infrastructure, so that we can really focus on delivering an experience for kids that's really fun and personalized, and one that really makes them confident about money.
We're Butn, we're a B2B transactional funder. We're run on an embedded finance platform. And I think the problem that we're really solving is near on instant access to cash flow through debtor and trade finance. And that's why we've come together with the likes of MYOB to really integrate and really embed that finance opportunity so that MYOB's merchants and end users have the ability to access funding near on instantly.
MYOB is a business management platform that has all the workflows that a small business needs in one place. We believe that we're solving a disconnection problem for small business owners, and by connecting key workflows with partners such as Butn, we get to make life easier for small business owners, saving them time to do more important things in their business. Butn's a really important partnership for us. It's been one that's been very successful over the last couple of years, and it's enabling us to, as Rail said, give access to cash flow and solve a cash flow problem in as simple as a click of a button.